Hello, welcome to mathematics class. We're going to continue from where we stopped. We're still solving the common entrance past questions, so let's go on. Question 31 says, find the volume of a cylinder whose base radius is 10 whole number 1 over 2 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, to solve this question, we must know the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, pi r square h. Our pi is 22 over 7. Our radius is 10 whole number 1 over 2, but let's change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1, 21 over 2. So 21 over 2 multiplied by another 21 over 2 because you have radius square times height. Your height is 10. So let's look at the numbers that can divide each other. 7 can go here 1, 7 can go here 3. 2 can go here 1, 2 can go here 11. 2 can go here 1, 2 can go here 5. So we don't have any denominator again. I'm left with 11 here, and I'm left with 3 here, I'm left with 21 here, I'm left with 5 here. So I'm going to write them out. 11 times 3 times 21 times 5. By the time I multiply those four numbers together, it will give me 3465 centimeter cube. Take note, centimeter cube, because we're talking about volume. So it's going to be in centimeter cube. The next question says, if 7 is added to 4 times the number, the result is 55. Find the number. So let's say the number is n. 7 plus 4 times the number, that's 4 times n, 4n. The result is 55 equals to 55. So I have changed this statement into a mathematical equation. So let's look for n. I'm going to bring my 7 to this side and it becomes minus 7. So 4n is equals to 55 minus 7. 55 minus 7 is 48. So 4n is equals to 48. For me to know n, I'll say 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So my n is 12. Let's confirm that. What is 4 times 12? 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. So that means this is correct. Is that okay? Good. The next question says, simplify 8 squared divided by 4 squared multiplied by square root of 36. So let's pick it one by one. What is 8 squared? 8 squared is 8 times 8, 64. What is 4 squared? 4 times 4, 16. And what is the square root of 36? Which two numbers will I multiply together or multiply by itself to give me 36? That is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. So I have 64 divided by 16 multiplied by 6. 64 divided by 16. We're going to do the division first because in board math, division comes before multiplication. 64 divided by 16 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So this is your answer, 24. Is that taken? Good. This is question 6. 618 multiplied by 143. So I'm going to start 618 multiply 143. Okay, so then we start. What is 3 times 8? 24. 4. I'll bring my 2 here. What is 3 times 1? 3 plus that 2, that is 5. What is 3 times 6? 18, isn't that? I'll write my 18 here. Okay, if I'm going to start multiplying the second number now, I will start my arrangement under 5. I'm not going to arrange it here. I will skip a number and start arranging under this second number. So 4 times 8 is 32. I'm going to write 2 and I'll bring my 3 here. 4 times 1 is 4 plus that 3 is 7. I'll write my 7 here. 4 times 6 is 24. This is the 24. Okay, I want to multiply 1 by 618. I'm going to start arranging under 7, not under 2. You skip a number and start arranging under 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, I'm through with my multiplication. The next thing is to add. This is 4. There's no other number, so I'll write 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. I'll write 3. I'll bring my 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. I'll write my 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Another 8. And so this is the answer, 88374. So 618 multiplied by 143 will give me 88374. Is that okay? So in your multiplication, be careful. Ensure you arrange properly. And when you're adding, you add correctly. If you have carried a number, remember to add it to the next number. That is all with multiplication. Question 35 says, find the product of two numbers. Or no, the product of two numbers is 24. If one of the numbers is -4, find the other number. The product of two numbers is 24. If one of the numbers is -4, find the other number. Okay, since we're talking about products, I have the product, I have one of the number. For me to get the other number, I would say the product divided by the number I have. You get that? The product divided by the number I have. That will be 24 divided by -4. And that is -6. Remember, you have a negative number here, so your answer will be negative -6. The other number is -6. Do we understand this? Good. Question 36 says the value of 3/7 of 3.78 naira plus 5/9 of 7.47 naira is, you have to find the value of this. So the first thing is to say 3/7 times 3.78 plus 5/9 times 7.47. Okay, off is the same thing as saying multiply, okay. So I'll say 3 times 3.78 divided by 7 plus 5/9. So 5 times 7.47 divided by 9. If I multiply this, 3 times 3.78, and I divide it by 7, my answer will be 1.62. And then if I say 5 times 7.47 divided by 9, I will get 4.15. So 1.62 plus 4.15 will give me 5.77. So this is my answer, 5.77. Okay, the next question says add 87, 5899 plus 8 plus 595. So in this arrangement is key. 87, tens and units, isn't it? Then I have 5899. Ensure that this is under the unit, this is under 10, this is under 100 and 1000. I have 8, I'm going to put my 8 here. I have 595, I'm going to put my 5, 9, and another 5. Did you see that? So after arranging properly, I can now add. If you like, you can add 0, 0 to these empty spaces. Or if you don't like that, but still leave it like this, just ensure that you add correctly. So let us add 7 plus 9 is going to give me 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So I'll write 9 and bring my 2 here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. 8, I'll bring my 2 here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. I'll write 5 and bring my 1 here. 5 plus 1 is 6. So I have 6589. 6589. This is the answer. This question says evaluate square root of 36/100 divided by 9/81. So let's find this. What is the square root of 36? 6. Because 6 times 6 is 36. What is the square root of 100? 10, because 10 times 10 will give me 100. So 6/10 divided by the square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 will give me 3. And the square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 will give me 81. So I have 6/10 divided by 3/9. But I want to change this division to multiplication. So my denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. There's a song to this. Let me just quickly sing that song. The song says, fraction division, 2 fractions and a sign. First one says, leave me. Sign say, change me. The last one say, turn me over. You can see The first number says leave me, the sign says change me, and the last number says turn me over. That is why we're turning it over. So I have 6 over 10 multiplied by 9 over 3. Something can go, isn't it? 3 here, 1. 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 9 is 18, and I'm left with 10. 18 divided by 10. I can divide this further, isn't it? 2 in 18 is 9. 2 in 10 is 5. I'm left with 9 over 5. How many 5 can I get in 9? 1. I'm left with 4, isn't it? 1 whole number 4 over 5. 1 whole number 4 over 5. So this is my answer. Question 39 says, find the cost of 800 bundles of clothes at 500 naira per bundle. If one bundle is 500 naira and I have 800 bundles, so to know the cost, I'll say 800 times 500 naira. 800 times 500 naira. How do I multiply this? I'll multiply the whole number. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Then count the number of zeros you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 40, I have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. 8 times 5 is 40. After 40, I have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 400,000. So this is the cost of 800 bundles of clothes. Question 40 says, change 250 minutes to hours. Change 250 minutes to hours. I know the 60 minutes makes 1 hour, isn't it? So what do I do? 250 divided by 60. 0 cancels 0. I'm left with 25 over 16. How many 6 can I get in 25? 4. I'm left with 1. So 4 whole number 1 over 6. 4 whole number 1 over 6. So I can get 4 hours in 250 minutes. 4 hours in 250 minutes. Okay, we've come to the end of the series. See you in the next class. Bye.